Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel and to Coffee Time with Brandy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a copycat pumpkin cream cold foam cold brew from Starbucks. And what you're going to need is some kind of frother of your choice. I personally chose to use my Nespresso frother just because it came with my Nespresso and it's really easy to use. And next you're going to need some kind of cold brew, whether it's homemade or just a store-bought kind, it doesn't matter, just whatever you preference. Next, I use the Silk Almond Pumpkin Spice Creamer. Really any kind of pumpkin creamer will do. And then last, you're just going to need some pumpkin pie spice topping. First, you're going to pour in your pumpkin spice creamer into your frother or into a cup that you're going to be frothing in. I didn't show it here, but I do recommend adding some of the pumpkin pie spice to this as well, and then before frothing it up. Ooh. Next, you're just going to go ahead and get your cold brew poured into your glass, get it ready. And then, simple as that, you have your cold foam to pour on top. And then top with some more pumpkin pie spice. And there you have it. That's a copycat Starbucks pumpkin spice cold foam cold brew. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.